my god. Damn. Did somebody wear this already? Hey y'all. So I just got home after spending money again. Tired of myself. Tired. Let me see. So I guess what I'm gonna do is, first of all, my Amazon package was delivered to the wrong apartment, so I gotta go downstairs and go get it. And then second, I have to vacuum because I just gotta clean, put away some stuff really quickly, and then make dinner. I have an idea of what I want to make for dinner, but I'm gonna make it with y'all. And if you didn't know, I'm vegan, plant-based, so we're gonna make a vegan meal. It's gonna be so good. And then, because I haven't eaten all day, so when you haven't eaten all day, everything just tastes good to you. You know what I mean? And then, oh, do a little haul to Trader Joe's. Jeez, my butt. So I went to Trader Joe's, but I brought a Zara bathroom because I didn't need much. I go there for their rice. So then I got noodles. That's it, really. That's not noodles. What are those called? Pasta. And then I got spicy lentil wraps. They used to come in a brown box, but they look like these now. Hopefully taste the same. I went to Urban Outfitters. I don't know why, because I never shop at Urban. But then I was just like, I had time to kill, so I was just like, fuck it. I'm gonna go. So I got new lingerie. This piece. It's a halter. This looks so small. Look at it. Like, it looks like it's not gonna do anything for me, but this. Wait, no, this was not $14.99. It was even less than that, actually. I was okay with paying $14.99 for it, but then I was checking out and it came down to $4.99 for this. So I wouldn't be too mad if it didn't work out. I'd probably just sell it to another dancer. $14.99. Well, $4.99 for this thing. And then I got this. I've been obsessed with like cheetah print, like prints, period. And this is like a super stretchy material. And it looks like this. And I got this top just to wear over these ones, just in case they were too small, because these are smalls. I got them in a small. And I got this for, it says $19.99 here, but it was $9.99. Yeah, it just looks like this. It's like a top, cropped. And then, what else is this called? Like calf sleeve. It's not quite short sleeve. And I think this would just be so cute because I get cold all the time at work too, so. And then I got these joggers. It's like woven material. Oh my god. Bro, come on. I just got these. So, this said, oh, well, this says it's $29.99 and it was $29.99. and I'm not mad at it because it looks like I could wear it in the fall and also the summer because it's so light. It's like a light woven material, but it still has some thickness to it, but it's just not super heavy, if that makes sense. And it has a good amount of stretch. This is in a size small. And then, well, I actually went to Zara first, but I got 2 things from Zara. I really only went to the mall for some joggers because I realized I'm like, I don't have any joggers. And sometimes joggers are just like so easy to wear, especially when you're going to work. You have like your outfit underneath, you just take them off. That's cute. So this is it. I don't know if you can see the material. It's not like regular jogger material. It's more like a knit, if that makes sense. But it's still light. So I still thought about like, if summer comes, can I still wear this? And probably not summer, but like spring. And I like the color. And I hate the scrunched bottoms, and these don't have them, so that's why I got them. It's like, I think this looks a little bit more chic instead of like these, especially when the material is like this or thicker. On this I don't mind it because it's so light, but when it gathers at the bottom and it's just like so bulky, it's not cute to me. This was $30, which is not bad, I don't think. Especially for something that'll last you. And then I got these leggings. They're just black, but it's ribbed and it has seams running down the middle of each leg. And then at the bottom, the hem splits. So I just got like new shoes while I was in Miami, and they're really strappy heels, and I think these would look so good, especially when holidays are coming up. Like if you still want to look like dinner ready but not do too much, I think this would be really cute with like a nice top. And I think my mom and I are going to Oregon, so I think I'm gonna wear this there with a cute black top or like a gray sweater top. I think that would look really cute. And this was damn, did somebody wear this already? Bro, if somebody wore this already, I'd be pissed. Because look at this, like look at the tag at the back, it's all wrinkled. And then this is, the tag from the inside is hanging off. What? But I think this was like $29, like same price as the joggers. Which for like nice going out pants, it's pretty good to me. And they're stretchy, so they should fit me. But I'm gonna try them on, so I'll update you guys in a second, but we'll make some food soon, okay? Because I'm hungry. Drink your water and take your vitamins. I've posted about this before, like on my personal Instagram and my business page, and it's the Blue Bonnet Ladies One a Day. It's plant-based, so like all of the sources of the vitamins are like from the earth. And dog, you just gotta look it up and look at the nutrition facts and supplement facts, and it just has everything that you need. And it brought back my hair. Okay, my hair used to fall out because I was really low, I think in iron. I was taking hair pills, I was taking like B12, all that, but I think it was iron that I was really lacking. And then when I started taking this, it just stopped. I'll show y'all what I do for my tofu, and then I'm gonna make some rice too.
First chill out to the back, and I want every person in the dance to listen keenly.
So this is what the end result looks like. Crispy tofu, broccoli with sweet and sour sauce, and then sweet and sour sauce on the side. Chill for a second. It's 7:50. I'm having my dessert, chocolate chip cookies, and then I'll be packing orders and also filling bottles. So I have to be a little chemist and put them all together and then bottle them. And then put labels on them and get them ready for shipping. So yeah, I'll talk to y'all soon.